Look how clean this is. It's like a newly vacuumed carpet. I was feeding the pigs this morning and they got out just into this barn area here. And I was gonna put them right back, but then I thought, well, I'll let them stretch their legs for a few minutes. And then kind of a surprising thing happened. Surprising for me. They started eating goat poop. Just slowly and deliberately. They'd go up to a kind of a little turd or a little pile and smell it, and then they'd eat it. And they went through the whole barn, just bit by bit. And there's still a little left, but they got basically all the big piles of goat poop and ate them. With some relish, apparently. And then they went back into their stall. Kind of a surprising way to start the morning. Pig, goat, poop, vacuum cleaners. I guess that shouldn't be a surprise to me, but I just was like, oh yeah, I guess you're just gonna gobble all that down. Come on, pigs, get back in that stall. Come on, let's go. Get back in your stall, guys. Go, get in there. Look at that one volunteer sunflower right here by the pig cooker. What a pretty little sunflower facing the rising sun. Well, it's another beautiful morning out here. This guy and I are actually home alone just this morning. The others are out at swim lessons.
I'm trying to find some onions.
Okay, but be careful using the hoe because you could cut into the onions.
What you doing?
I am digging onions out of our jungle onion bed. I'm weeding this bed and fixing it while finding the onions at the same time.
And I'm hoeing. I found a seed. I found a seed.
They're radish seeds. You can eat them if you want.
We're clearing out 2 beds. Well, we're clearing out our early crop beds. The cabbage bed and the broccoli bed of weeds, and all of these weeds right there, big cylinder of weeds came out of this bed and this bed, and there's a big pile down there still. After these 2 beds, we're going to do the same thing, pull everything out. We've got this cabbage to harvest, but we're going to pull everything out of these beds. There's a few patches of things we'll leave. There's dill there and flowers.
That's Joyful's route.
The carrots need to be harvested, not pulled out. And then we'll do the same thing on this side to these 2 beds. And then we'll be ready to plant our fall garden. Yep, you got to plant your fall garden and winter garden in the summer. Got to plant it now. I have kind of mixed feelings about this crazy volume of weeds that we pulled out of these 2 beds. Because on one hand it's terrible. I mean, it's horrible. It's just ridiculous. But on the other hand, if you need volume for composting, here it is. This huge volume of greenery. Mixed feelings about those weeds, but I'm glad we're pulling them out.
Can I put it in my hair?
There's a really big spot. It moves.
No.
It's flying, it's flying.
All right, we're done. We got a lot done. Got a couple beds knocked out, weeded and stuff, getting ready to plant here in the next weeks. Got these 2 beds mostly done. We basically got not quite half.
We got more done than I thought we were gonna get done.
Yeah, so.
We weren't out here that long.
No, it went good. And this rain will soften it up nice if we want to work on it tomorrow.
Or even this evening it'll stop and we can pull some carrots.
Anyway, this has been fun.
We gotta find a teddy bear.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know where you put it last?
Alright, let's go inside. Let's look inside for it. Well, folks, it's been another great day in the homestead. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you soon. Bye.